How to copy a YouTube video link on your mobile phone. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to copy the video link from YouTube. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up your YouTube application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, all you need to do is simply tap on any video that you want to copy. So let me just tap on this video right here. So all you have to do now is simply tap on the share button. So just tap on share, and here you can do quick share, create a post, share with children, or share on any of these feeds. And if you want it to start on the certain timestamp, you can do that as well. Now just tap on copy link. And once you have copied the link, you can paste it wherever you want. So for example, if I share this video on my WhatsApp to a friend, I'm just going to open up my WhatsApp and then paste the video link right here and then share it. And once he taps on the video link on the link, it will direct him to this video. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.